Hello developers, welcome to day 1 of 15 days object-oriented programming series. In this video, we'll try to understand the fundamental concepts like class and object. By definition, object is a real-world entity. Example, car, employee, student, product, customer, order, payment, etc. Every object will have two properties. The first one is state, nothing but the data which we use to define the particular object. Example, for product, we have product ID, name, description, price, quantity, etc. Second, behavior, nothing but the actions we perform on the particular product object. We call them as methods. Example, display product info, set product price, check availability, etc. So we define the state and behavior of its objects in a class. By definition, class is a template which describes the state and behavior of its objects. So we write the product class like this. We have a detailed video on this topic on our YouTube channel. Please go and then watch.